Hey guys, hope you guys had a good day trading today. Today was a rough day to trade, I'll tell you that much, with the technicals just not playing very well. I definitely didn't have a great day, but that's alright. Anyways, let's take a look here. So I'm going to keep this brief because CPI is going to make a huge move one way or another, and we'll settle the dust tomorrow and kind of see where we're going from there. Biggest thing that happened today, bear-wise, is we did break through this rising wedge on the daily. This is the rising wedge that was started with the previous CPI in October's low. See, we had three nice touches there, and we are officially through that. With this happening, and we lost 378, I actually was expecting a bigger push up today. However, this is the biggest sell-off pre-CPI that we've had besides the June sell-off. So I'm wondering if we're starting to get back to the same old trend of big sell-off before CPI and also sell-off the day before CPI from about 1 o'clock until end of day, which is definitely what happened today. Things that I'm going to be looking for is if CPI misses, I'm eyeing somewhere from 360 to 365 for our settling. It's about a 3 to 4% day right here. If we beat, I'm going to be looking for CPI to come in somewhere around 384 to 388 and end of day. Kind of my two targets right here in these two ranges. That's pretty much all we need to look forward to right now. Looking at futures, futures intraday did not break the rising wedge, but it is through it now. I'll be looking pretty much right here, closing under 36.75 or closing over 38.64. Looking at Apple, so tech is actually kind of interesting. They are just getting destroyed lately. So one thing to keep in mind is that Apple just closed below its previous CPI candle low. So it did not make a new 52-week low, which is 129.04. However, it did break down a ton. So what I'm looking for based on historical trends is that Apple actually very well could end up somewhere in this 125 to 127 range tomorrow, and that would put in a new 52-week low, assuming CPI misses. So that's something that's definitely on the radar. And you can see when this really big trend down, and Apple is also in a huge daily falling wedge, which also has upside or downside, I mean, coming down here in the 120s for the end of week and early next week. Tesla is getting absolutely just murdered. You can look at this here. This is crazy. Look at this straight down here, kind of consolidated, and then boom, straight down even more. Pretty impressive to say the least. We are now eyeing the bear channel resistance of 2022 on the daily. Going over to the weekly here, you can see how intense this this weekly bear channel is. I mean, this goes back to pretty much October 2021 is the peak. Things that I'm watching for here is we are closed under the weekly 200 EMA. First time since October of 2019 that this has happened. I'm going to be keeping an eye on and see where we go from here. But next big support is right here at 167.6 and then really all the way down to 150.9. And that gives us, like, in the next week or two, end of year, we could see 100 to 103 on Tesla, which is pretty insane. Looking at the VIX, we have a nice V bottom forming here, nice consolidation before hopefully the move up with CPI. I'm eyeing somewhere right here between like 27 to 29 for the VIX tomorrow. We did break the bear channel finally, so we are now in an uptrend. I don't know how long it's going to last for, but we will definitely be keeping an eye on that. Bitcoin, unbelievable. I mean, it's down. In the last 2 days, it dropped 10% yesterday and 15% today, so 25% in 2 days. If you add these days, it's another 2%, 2%, so 4%, so almost 30% in 4 days. Pretty crazy. Something I'm kind of eyeing that might be forming is that this is crypto capitulation, and until crypto pretty much capitulates, we are not going to see the market. I'm eyeing 11 to 13K for Bitcoin on this leg down here, and I do think this is starting the next leg down for the market. All right, hope you guys had a good day, and I will see you guys tomorrow with CPI. Thanks for tuning into this video. Don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe to stay updated. Here's the lifetime Discord link. If you're interested, go ahead and
You can type that into your browser. If that one doesn't work, just go ahead and send me a message or drop me a comment, and I will give you a new link. Here's some of the benefits. I do a pre-market analysis every day with key support and resistance level. I do a live commentary all day long on SPY. I do post my live intraday scalps and level-to-level plays. You can follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok, and on Reddit, my name is Daddy Dersh.